Okay, our daughter is off to college in the fall and we got this cool laundry backpack and I wanted to share with you because it is awesome. It's actually got 3 pockets all the way around, and unlike some of the others you've seen, these are not mesh, these are very substantial. You're going to be able to hold your laundry detergent in there without a problem. This backpack is 125 liters, it's the extra large, it's gigantic. I'd say you could fit a large load of laundry in this backpack comfortably, along with all of your other laundry supplies. There is a strap, and I was wondering what it was, and so I wanted to take a minute to figure it out here. And basically what it does is it goes across the top and hooks to kind of hold everything together. And I would imagine you would really only use this if you were walking a few blocks to the laundromat or something like that. It's also got this really nice handle right here, as well as these padded backpack straps. So it's actually quite comfy, and that's why I'm going to give this 5 stars compared to others that I've seen. It just feels so substantial and sturdy, and it's very large. There's no flimsy mesh anywhere.